Two trades has actually triggered, and I took my entries from the 1 hour time frame. Now if they ask me, Michael, why are you so confident to be adding this re-entry? This is me recording my thoughts. Why I actually took these trades. Alright. So first off, price swept out a daily high, which was this one, previous daily highs, relative equal highs, and price broke lower with a strong bearish close, which we could see here. But before price broke lower, we could see the trending, how price was trending upward. Here we saw how price trended upward, and we saw how price closed down strongly, therefore creating this order block, these order blocks. Yeah, so mainly price came back, then I set this order here, knowing this is an order block which is valid. When I saw the risk to reward, which is like 1:8, I may be tempted to take my profit before this order block in this point, which is quite fair, which is 1:7. Unlike this, which is 1:4, and if I adjust it to this level, 1:3.5, I was like, nah, I can't let that go. So I took the trade, still risking 5% of my accounts. If it works out well, to my favor. If it goes bad, it's part of the process. Well, I'm learning and I'm documenting. So for my Euro AUD, you could see this massive bearish candle, and you saw how price ranged and closed above it. Automatically for me, it makes here seem as a very good order block. And before now, I will let price hit it, and I'll just set my entry and my stop here. But because I'm also learning from Tony Ike, I could see that this is an order block one, and this is like something he calls double breakout structure. This is the first one, this is the second one. So although when the pullback came, the first pullback at this point came, it didn't touch the body, which I could likely take it from here, but my stop will also be somewhere here. That's the rule. So but seeing this other breaker, it's looking convincing, and I chose to take my entry from here, which is also quite fair. My stop here at the close of the second candle. So because of price closing above this strong bearish candle, it gave me the conviction that I'm expecting higher prices. And just like the other one, this is 1:5 risk to reward. But on my 4-hour trade, my full TP is 1:5. But here, if I going to take my profit at this first day, it's just 3.58. I don't know, like Brian Tracy would say, people buy out of emotion and justify by logic. Here it may seem so, but I think I'm doing it following my plan, and I love to see how it goes, because I'm learning in the process and I'm documenting, also sharing my thoughts on why I took my trades this way. So as for BTC is yet to trigger. So my concept of taking this trade as well is the fact that BTC swept the daily high, which was our target, didn't close strongly above it, and price broke and changed in market structure. Then it created this order block on the 3-hour time frame. After creating the order block, a break of structure and our first pullback here. So that's why I'm taking my entry from the other block. And my take profit is below this trend line liquidity. Here is an order block on the 4-hour time frame. But according to Tony Ike, when you see trend line liquidity like this, you don't obey any order block or entry from this point. Even here, I could see that we have an inducement. So what else could I see if I look to my left? So, but this risk to reward is 1:9. Here is 1:6. So if I get 1:6, I'm still cool. I don't need to get 1:9. Let's see how it goes. So peace.